Hello guys, thanks for joining me. In this video we're gonna review the Tesla OS, which is Android 5.1.1 on Sony Xperia L. Well, this is not a old ROM. It's actually been released 2 days ago or so. I just flashed it 2 hours ago, and pretty much it seems stable, and the battery life is also good. Only thing that I noticed, it has many customization options which you won't find on stock CyanogenMod 12 and CyanogenMod 12.1. So this video will be on the edit features. Going to the home screen, you will notice that this ROM is pretty much the familiar from CyanogenMod 12. It has this home screen, drawer and app settings. You also have the options to change wallpapers, widgets and setting menu. And the apps are really good. They are essential, and you have to have these apps installed on your phone in order to function the mobile. There aren't many edit apps. In case it had the theme engine, which is really cool. So you know that you can customize your phone on your lights. And out of the box, this ROM comes with this own theme, which is I don't think it looks pretty, but it's the white and brown. In settings, you also have the changed icons and style and the color theme, and all options are here with Tesla settings. Because this ROM is based on CyanogenMod, Aoki and Slim ROMs and many other customizable options, you have many options here. Like the first one is, for example, buttons. You can go ahead and change the buttons and layout, but I really don't like that these settings are also on CyanogenMod 12, and it's not any edit here. But you also have the power menu. I think they should update this ROM with many edit features also, because in power menu you don't have the screen recorder option because it is not here, but you have the profile switcher, airplane mode, reboot menu and many other options. The edit features include the volume keys control ringtone or music. It's really cool because on stock CyanogenMod it doesn't have the setting, so you know that which option, which ringtone or music you have to control. Other settings include gesture anywhere. I have reviewed this on other videos. I'll drop the links to the the Flex OS, which reminds me of this ROM because it's the same feature. What it does, it has this edge on the left side of screen, so if you tap and tap any and you have to have any gesture, you can add a gesture here. For example, if I want to launch an application, for example a calendar, I'll drop C, and when I swipe from the left side, if I down the letter, it goes to the application I chose. It's really good and cool to customize your phone, but I like to keep it disabled because I don't have the need to use it. You also have the lock screen option, which is no edit features here, but you have the pattern pin and password option, and I don't know why they included in this option because it's not edit, it's just the stock CyanogenMod 12. You also have the notification drawer. Again, there aren't many edit features here, just one or two, but it's here. It's in Tesla settings. You have the quick pull down, the smart pull down. You have the show weather in the status bar because I think it doesn't work on this ROM. You also have the tiles menu. You can customize the. Well, let's see if it had any edit here. Yes, it had the heads up. It has a compass. Also, I think the battery mode and the USB tethering, which is not on CyanogenMod 12. You also have the show brightness slider if you don't like the brightness slider, and you can customize. And also you have the anchorage first row, so I like to keep it enabled. And you have the advanced location settings. In notification manager, you will find heads up, which is really cool and convenient for me because I like to see the messages, incoming notifications on my status bar. And you have the heads up notification settings. You can customize the timeout, snoozer time, and so on. Notification access and filter notifications, which is from CyanogenMod 12. You also have the status bar. Here you will find the very familiar customization options from other ROMs which I reviewed, and check out my channel for more videos and ROM reviews like this, because I've done 14 or 15 ROM reviews like this. Go and check it out and subscribe to my channel for more. You have the clock style. You can set it to center, to left, to hidden. I like to keep it on right side as it is because I'm used to it. You have the date option, small or normal. You have the date style, lowercase or uppercase. Date format, which is remind me of FlexOS again because it really looks familiar. Battery percentage inside the icon or next to the icon. And you have the brightness control by sliding on the stats bar. Show notification count, and this option is added here because I really found it unusual on this ROM. It has the outgoing and incoming notification traffic monitor. So you will have the idea when your Wi-Fi is needed and what apps use it. You can choose the color you want. It's really customizable, as I said, but not so customizable as Bliss Pop. I'll drop the link in the description below, but it's really good to have these options here. You have also the wake lock blocker, which is liquid smooth option, because the first ROM that had this option is the liquid smooth, I think. What it does, it showed the wake lock, so it had the warning that it may misbehave. So you can go ahead and disable the wake locks. I don't really use it because I think it doesn't work either, but it may damage your phone. So just disable it if you don't want to mess up the settings. And in the animation control, you have the very usual familiar options, the toast animations from AwakiP, Paranoid Android. And what it does, it changes the animation. For example, this here, you can set it to anything you want and go ahead and customize it on your needs. Again, you have the scrolling animation and the system animations. There are tons and tons of it. As you can see, I can customize anything I want on this ROM. And here it is, guys. The next option which I found, there were added some options, include the in performance. You don't have the CPU frequency change, and you don't have to change the CPU frequency because you may download the thumbs up control from Play Store. But I really found it useful on I think the Xperia ROM. It had this you could change the CPU frequency, but on this ROM it is not here. And overall, guys, this ROM looks stable, and the battery life, as I have noticed, is really cool. Think of it as an add-on on CyanogenMod 12 because it basically has many added features which I really found useful. Performance on the other side is a bit laggier because there are many apps running in the background. Also, you have this customization options which really slow your phone down, and I think you should try it and see the result of it because it's really new ROM and needs some testers here. I'll drop the link in the description below. Go check it out and download and flash for yourself. One tip is to wipe cache and factory data reset because it has many features, and from CyanogenMod 12.1 or CyanogenMod 12 you can't dirty flash. That means you can flash it directly on top of your ROM. Thank you guys for watching it. If you enjoyed the video and want to view and stay tuned for more videos like this, subscribe to my channel as well as thumbs up down in the description below, and I'll see you guys